Alright guys, I didn't record it because it's raining, but I want to show you the truck we just washed. Pretty shiny. Now I can't show you because the hood's closed, but we degreased the whole engine. What the fuck? Are you serious? What do you think you're doing? Excuse you. Excuse you? I know. He knows I'm gonna leave soon. Oh, poor baby. Oh, maybe he doesn't care. Alright. Let's go. Okay, I'm not comfortable. I wish it wouldn't care. Alright. Turn this Bluetooth flashy thingy off. Get on your side of the road, Monica. I don't know about anybody else, but I never drive with my hands 10 and 2. I don't even use this hand usually. I don't know why I am right now. I always use this hand. And I was talking to my son about it, and he's like, maybe it's because you're used to driving like a stick shift. And I think he's right. Those one-hand drivers are used to driving stick shifts. I don't know, I could be wrong. But I do know one thing is when I do 10 and 2, it just doesn't... Somehow using two hands in this position makes me feel like I have way less control than this one hand. I just feel like as long as you're paying attention, it doesn't really matter, you know? You could drive with 10 and 2 all day and think you're safer, and then something, boom. Like, I don't know. Holy crap. There goes my boss. This goes down to get the paper in the morning because his mailbox is not like up at his house. It's kind of weird. I don't know why. And he actually asked them if they could put it up there, and they said no. So nice. Anyways, slow down. It's gonna be a fun day today. It's already raining. I know I'm wearing a t-shirt. I get hot easily, so when I'm getting ready, so what I do is I have to wear wool socks, and then I have my rain boots, and I have like rain gear and stuff. Obviously, you've probably seen it in another video, but I just got that rain gear as like a coat and pants for like $36 at Walmart, or no, $30 at Walmart. And then they had the same black pants with like a red rain jacket, and just because of the color, that whole set was like $36, even though the pants weren't red. So I just saved myself $6 and I got the black. But I do need some like safety sweatshirts, you know, like with the reflective tape on it and stuff. That's what I want to get. But anyways, I'm here, so let's get this popping. Boss is pulling in. He gave me this look because I took a wide turn because I was too busy talking to you guys. It's all your fault. And anyways, he was on the other side and he stopped. He pulled over to get out of the way. Woman drivers, you know. This is all the crap I bring, like a big backpack. I hook a hat onto the back of it. I have like a coffee thermos in here, another little thermos, and I have my coffee cup on top of the roof. And then I have like 3 sweatshirts, and I have 2 rain jackets and rain pants. So it's gonna be a long day. Trying to kill me. Get in there. Oh my god, it's... Anyways, alright. Please have the food. Oh, I'm just reading a bunch of signs because you know what happened yesterday. Just kidding. With the hood.
Oh.
You're like, oh, you read the sign. Hey, they have nice pumps. Like, look how clean and nice that handle is. That's weird. So fancy. Fancy schmancy.
Make that 5.4 pounds. Or 5.
Hey, don't get your butt in the video. I have to cut that out.
7.
7. 7 gallons?
I forgot you had that on there. Yeah, 7. 5 and 2 is 7. You got sound on?
No, I'm going to mute it. What you can do is you can just record whatever, so you can say whatever, so if bad words come out, I'm just like, yep, gotta mute that part. So you said 7 even?
Yeah.
Okay.
Keep going. Come on. Come on. Hey.
Boom! Jeez. Jeez Louise. Oh my gosh. Oof. This thing has to go under there. Oof. Right in there. Just like that. This is a burner. This is a pressure washer. This is for my hose. And gas, kerosene, all that. Ladder. Soap. Brightener. Degreaser. My gas. His machine's gas. His machine. Kerosene tank for the burners. Wash bucket. Close them up. Got my rain pants on. It took forever to get them on. And we're at a new place today. I haven't been here yet, so this should be exciting. Let's do it! Oh.
Well, you didn't. Before you put a wand on, I'll get you there. Brand new, too. That's the best part.
Leave it back here. Well, we're gonna rinse it. I'm gonna put it over here for you.
It's
Down
there.
It's not that cold. Yeah. I guess.
I went out and tried to cut a pine tree down. Fell through the ground like Alice. Oh, what a sound. This must be a nest. I got rocks and sticks against my chest. I'm Alice. Dear Queen of Hearts, I'ma grow you white roses so you can learn to be kind. Tell King of Hearts to Amalie's fall. So you can learn to be kind. Oh, what a start. Inside out and upside down. No stress, I'ma clean up this mess like Alice. First hand me scissors, then bring out the heavy